Hello, friend. As you have seen the thumbnail, today I am going to talk about unlocking on any Android phone like Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Samsung, any handset. So, welcome again your own channel Mind Thunder. Are you really worried about your phone locking? So, in today's video, I am going to show you how to unlock any Android phone with a very simple trick. So, get ready as I am going to tell. Just follow it and unlock your phone in few minutes. And you can unlock pin pattern finger face lock. This video will prove to be very effective for you. So before going to start this video, I'm going to share you one thing with you. If your phone is not unlocked by this process, please tell us in the comment section which handset is yours and which model is it. Because the code which I am going to share you for unlocking process may support in many handset or may not support in many handset. So let's focus on our process and unlock any Android phone within few minutes without help of any computer or without any help of visit of any service center. So before going to a start, you have to make sure your phone in must be in flight mode and your battery percentage minimum 40 to 50%. So let's start the process. Now you can able to see this phone is locked to the pin, and below the screen you can able to see emergency call option is coming. So we have to click on it, and now I am going to share you some simple code which is used in service center also, and this code is very simple. You have to note down. You If you want to take a screenshot, please take a screenshot. And this code is a star has six. I'm going to zoom. A star has 6320, a star 556, and has before going to start this process. There are so many comments, negative comments is coming. You are using finger, backside finger, so you can able to see there is no option is coming in this handset. There is no finger option is coming on the backside. So now you have to press on call button minimum. You have to call minimum 3 times. You ignore this pop-up message and erase this code and apply a star hash 899 and hash. This code is very important for us because before entering this hash, I'm going to tell you this code is very important for unlocking. Without this code, we are not doing anything for unlocking. So this code is star hash 899 and hash. Now after that you can see this code is activated on your screen. Engineer mode page is activated now. So check your first Android version. So whatever your Android version, so my Android phone is Realme and my Android version is 12. So I am going to press your same code, same number on the screen. I have clicked 12 times, and now I am going to come back, and again we have to press manual test and check through the sensor self test. And now you can able to see gyroscope and accelerometer. Both option is coming, and both option you can able to see not operated, operation not started. So we have to start at least one. We have to pass here. Now you can find gyroscope is passed. Now we can take a next step. So now we have to check proximity sensor test. We have to click here, and now you can able to see three option is coming. So press the middle option, second number, and press here confirm here. And after that, after completing the this process, slide the last end option, and now able to see five option is coming. So what you have to click on Android version. So main you have to press on database version or whatever it is your mainboard version or database version. Press I am going to press here 12 times because my Android version is 12. So you have to press the same as per your Android version. So now we have to click on redirect important log test and confirm here, and you can able to see wrong password is showing on your screen. It means phone is password is reset now. After completing the all the process, now it's time to check our phone whether the lock of our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button. I'm going to press the home button. Now, as you can see, my dear friend, our phone is unlocked without any loss of data or application. So I hope you guys you like this video, subscribe our channel, like and share. Bye.